Tangents. Consider the graph of a function and take a point x, y on this graph, the blue dot. Now we take a second point and we connect the 2 points by a straight line. If we move the second point closer and closer to our initial point, we find a tangent. So if the points have x value x or x plus h, then the function value is f of x and f of x plus h. So the slope of this tangent is approximately the difference in y value, so f of x plus h minus f of x, divided by the difference in x values, and that's h. And h is getting smaller and smaller. That means that we take the limit for h going to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And that will be the slope of this tangent line. Here is an example. Suppose we want to find the tangent to y is equal to x squared in the point where x is 0. Then we have to take the limit for h is going to 0 of f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. And that's of course the limit for h is going to 0 of h squared minus 0 divided by h, which is the limit for h going to 0 of h, and that's equal to 0. So the tangent line is given by the equation y is equal to 0, the horizontal line, and that's what you all will also expect. In x is 1, we find the limit for h going to 0 of f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. And that's the limit for h going to 0 of 1 plus h between brackets squared minus 1 divided by h. And that's the limit where h is going to 0 of 2h plus h squared divided by h. And we see that this will be 2. So the tangent is described by the equation y minus 1 is 2 times x minus 1. In an arbitrary point, x equal to a, the slope of the tangent can also be computed. It is the limit for h going to 0 of a plus h between brackets squared minus a squared divided by h. Working that out gives us the limit of 2a times h plus h squared divided by h. And that is of course equal to 2 times a. So the tangent at the point a, a squared is given by the equation y minus a squared is 2a times x minus a.